Imagine you're going on a casual 8-day work trip. Except the trip is to space, and the 8 days turns into 8 months. Well, that's what happened to 2 astronauts who were testing the Boeing Starliner on their way to the ISS when they started having problems with the ship. And now, well, they get a nice little vacation in the infinite vacuum of space while they await their savior Elon Musk, but not before 2025. Boeing's reputation has definitely taken some hits over the last couple of years due to stories like this blowing up on social media. With its stock down over 30% year to date, we can only hope that something goes extremely well for them soon. Now,